Hi! Welcome back to my channel. This is Alex Balingit, founder and creator of Trading Circle. Sa video na to, isa sa mga questions, may trabaho ka ba? Okay, sagutin natin ngayon. Alam ko na kung ano agad yun nasa isip mo. Paano pagsabayin ang day job at ang forex trading or whatever your day job is? Number one, forex should not be full-time. In forex po, there are schedules you can choose from depending on your availability. So makikita nyo sa chart na to, this is a Philippine time ha. Nakita nyo, halos buong araw merong available na open na market. Pangalawa po, ito. Learn how to use pending orders. Pending order, pending. Ibig sabihin, nakaabang, nakahintay, on queue, online, on waiting line. Parang ganun, di ba? Number 3 po, kung full-time worker ka at may day job ka, allot 15 minutes a day in learning. Number 4, maximize stop loss and take profit. And then, pang-5 po, pag-aralan nyo yung swing trader. In this way, this will not require much of your time worrying about your trades kapag swing trader ka. Kasi